everybody, thank you for joining me again today. My name is Connor, and we're back here at Electric Spins in St. Petersburg to talk to you about maintenance. Preventative at-home maintenance is one of the best ways to keep your bike running like new. Today, we'll discuss some items you need at home to keep your bike working smoothly, what maintenance procedures you'll need to perform, and how you'll perform them. So around me, I've got a couple of items you'll need at home to keep your bike running like new. Just on my left, I've got a bike pump used for keeping air in your tires. Now you don't need a special pump like this. Any mechanical bike pump you have at home will work just fine. Right in front of me, I've got a couple tools you'll need for adjustments, a set of wrenches, a set of Allen keys, and a screwdriver, used for things like tightening and untightening your seat, loosening your brake pads, things like that. Finally, on my right, I've got a couple cleaners you'll need for your bike. I've got a bike chain degreaser used for getting dirt and grime off of your chain, bike chain lubricant to keep that chain lubricated and running smoothly, and a rag, of course, used to put that lubricant on to take grime off, anything you'll need. So the first thing you'll want to check before your ride is your tire pressure. Now most bikes are kept anywhere from 30 to 65 PSI. Your bike will show it normally on the sidewall of the tire right here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to loosen this valve right here. Turn it counterclockwise, loosens off, opens up right there. You're going to take whatever pump you have at home, take this end right there, push it, and lock it down into place. Now here we've got a reading gauge for knowing the pressure. You might not have one at home, but something to check the pressure of the tire so you know when to stop. Press down, air in the tire, see that we're right up to manufacturer specifications. Take it off, re-screw that valve back on, and you should be all set. Now you want to keep your tires inflated to keep the efficiency of your ride running at top notch and to prevent flags. Next thing you'll want to do is to make sure that all the fittings are tightened on your bike. We'll start right here at the seat. You're going to loosen this latch right there. Bring your seat up, down, all around, wherever you'd like it. When you know you've got it in the right place, you're going to lock that down and check for play. This here is good, but if there's any play left to right, up or down, you're going to tighten this wheel right there until there's no more play. Next, you're going to check your handlebars. You're going to push them up, down, left, right, see if there's any play. Again, these are good right here, but this is where you'll use those Allen keys. This bike, you're going to flip down, latch it up like that, and tighten this right here with a 5mm if there's any sort of play. Lock it down back into place, and you're all ready. One more piece of maintenance you'll need to do to keep your bike running like new is to degrease and lubricate the chain. We'll start with degreasing using this degreasing agent right here. You're going to spray it along the length of the chain, along the cassette, making sure to reach anywhere where grime or dirt may build up. After you've given it a second to soak in, you're going to take a rag or a t-shirt, whatever you have at home, and just clean along the length of the chain in the cassette, trying to get as much of that dirt and grime up as you possibly can. Finally, you're going to take a lubricant, like this one right here, take the cap off, squirt it into your rag, and you're going to run it along the length of the chain, making sure to lubricate it up so that your bike runs smoothly. I appreciate you guys joining me today. This was just a brief look at some of the routine maintenance you'll need to perform to keep your bike running like new. In future videos, we'll take a look at more complicated maintenance, such as changing and aligning your brakes, adjusting your derailleur, and changing flat tires. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.